About the Bodos are one of the largest among the Indo-Mongoloid origin of Tibeto-Burmese languages and the largest single Boro language-speaking tribe in northeastern India. Bodos are considered to be the son of the soil in Assam and culturally richest community of the foothills of the Great Himalayas, Assam, Bengal, the Barak Valley, the Surma Valley, the Hilly region of Cachar, North Cachar and Karbi Anglong as well as the Brahmaputra Valley. Linguistically the Garo, the Dimasa, the Mech, the Hajong, the Sonowal, the Deori, the Thengal, the Rabha, the Tiwa, the Borok of Tripura and many other cognate tribes are the part of this great Bodo race. Majority of them settled in Assam. The census report of 1971 states that the Bodos were the 8th largest scheduled tribe (ST) group in India, and according to 2011 census, Bodo belongs to the largest ethnic group in northeast India. The generic term Bodo was first used by R.H. Hodgson in writings to a group of languages, which was confirmed by G.A. Grierson in his book, Linguistic Survey of India, Part 3, Volume 2, which had already been existed and used in place of Kirata. The term Bodo means all the Tibeto-Burman Bodo-speaking groups of Sino-Tibetan origin. In the opinion of Rajmohan Nath, inhabitants of various parts of the Bod Tibet country were known as Bodo Fisha, or Bodo Cha, Fikchacha children, or the children of the Bod country, and were later known simply as the Bodo or the Bodo. Thus Bodo greater than Bodo is believed to have been derived from the name Bod. In the Brahmaputra Valley the Kacharis called themselves Bodo or Bodo Fishat, sons of the Bodo. The Bodo are the largest ethno-linguistic group in the Assam state of India. They are a part of the greater Bodo Kachari family of ethno-linguistic groups and spread across northeastern India. The Bodo are concentrated mainly in the Bodoland Territorial Region (BTR). The Boro Kachari Welfare Autonomous Council 2020 established, comprising all the Boro inhabitant villages of 2020 districts of Assam, within the framework of Constitution of India. The population of the council is above 10 lakhs. Bodos speak Boro language, which is recognized as one of 22 scheduled languages in the Indian Constitution, and over two-thirds of the people are bilingual, speaking Assamese as a second language. For writing they used Roman script and Assamese script. Now they have taken up the Devanagari script for their writing. The Bodo, along with other cognate groups of Bodo Kachari people, are prehistoric settlers who are believed to have migrated at least 5,000 years ago. The Boro people revolves around agriculture, pig and poultry farming. Agriculture practice of the Boro people was originally paddy cultivation. The Bodo Kachari were also some of the first people to rear silkworms and produce silk material, and were considered to be advanced in paddy cultivation in Assam during this time period. The Boro people are recognized as a plain tribe in the 5th and amended 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution. The Boro Kachari inhabitant outside the 6th schedule areas of Assam are recognized as plain tribe of the 5th schedule. Bodo tribal community of Assam is considered an autochthonous of Assam, and they play a very important role in the culture and tradition of the state. This ethnic community is mainly concentrated in Brahmaputra Valley. Among the tribal community of Assam, Boro are the single largest community. It is believed that this tribe arrived in Assam from Tibet through Bhutan passes. As the primitive settlers of Assam Valley, the Bodo community is considered to be the most traditionally and culturally rich community of the state. Their rich culture incorporates elements like dancing, singing at sea, which reflects the fact that they have many religious practices and beliefs, among which Bathoism has special importance. The Bathoism is the ethnic religion of the Bodo Kachari people. The name Batho in Bodo means 5 principal ha, dwi, ba, o krang. Ha earth, dwi water, ba wind, or fire, o krang universe. The Bodo people consider the ha, dwi, ba, or and o krang as the main source of energy for life. This community is very fond of conventional drinks called zumai, locally fermented wine, and serip, locally distilled fermented wine. When people visit their houses, they used to offer this drink as kind of respect. Their main food consists of non-vegetarian dishes like pork oma beda, chicken dao beda, and fish na. Oma Beda, Onla, Nazi and Nafam are their main cuisines. Fairs and festivals of Bodo tribe, Bivishagu Fovabo, Mago Domasi and Kati Fovabo are the main festival of Bodo community. Bivisagu Fovabo, Bohag Bihu, celebrated during the month of April every year, Mago Domasi, Mag Bihu, during month of January and Khati Fovabo Kati Bihu, during month of October. Mainly the Boro celebrate Khati Fovabo as Mainao Fovabo.